So I applied for the Network 75 scheme because there was no scheme quite like it. But the biggest advantage for me is that I just have 5 years work experience, all with a sponsored degree. When I joined the professional workplace, which was Safran, it was quite daunting that I didn't have any previous experience. So doing Network 75, I felt like it bridges the gap between transitioning from university to a professional workplace. And that really just puts me in a better position once I've graduated to find a job. And that's actually proven successful because I was given a full-time position as product marketing executive at my company this year. My role can be different on different days depending on the projects, but at the moment I'm working on communication plans, customer experience initiatives, market research. I feel like I've been quite an asset to Safran Seats in the way that I've done it through this route, because I've been able to learn from university and then deliver my new knowledge to the business and create new marketing activities that have actually improved the way that we work in sales and marketing as well.